Okay, guys, going to Ask Scruff. This one's for Jay. Let's select UK. And let's have a wee look. So, hey Scruff, if you have US and UK news like today, what about trading pairs that are not directly affected, like Euro JPY, through the news? Is it best to put these out the markets and totally stay away? Right, okay. There is a couple of trains to thought here, but there's also correlations because euro and pound are very closely connected. So what will happen to one will naturally happen to the other. So if there is a new spike on the pound, it will push over into euro. So you've got to look at correlations as well. And one of the rules of thumb is very simple. You know, why trade something through the news in the first place? If you know there's a news event, there's only one or two per day, if you're lucky, that are what are deemed red letter news. Now, low impact, medium impact doesn't really do a great deal to the market. Certainly not going to turn the market. But high impact, like I say, there's only ever one or two throughout the day. And the rule of thumb is just avoid it. Be out the markets half an hour before it starts and stay out of it half an hour after. Let it die down. And then just trade the aftermath. But if you're compelled to trade, instead of looking at pairs, look at something that's completely different. You know, maybe trade copper. Something like that. Something out of the ordinary. Oil. World's your oyster. But yes, in a sense, you could trade something that is not affected by it. But the US does affect most currencies. And then you've got to kind of look to sort of think, well, is it worth it? And my answer is always, no. I don't trade news. I'll stay away from it. And then that way keeps me safe. But horses for courses, my friend. Hope that helps.